Hi guys, welcome to my mini lesson and explanation of the consonant clusters of our vocabulary words, actually our spelling words this week. Let's take a look at the first one, the letter J. The letter J, as you know, makes the sound J, like Jack in the Box, or like jump. But when you put the letter G and E or DGE together, they also pronounce the sound J, like in J. Let's take a look at some of the vocabulary words we have this week. Village, charge, bridge, knowledge, fudge, advantage. All of these words sound like they have a J in them, but they really don't. They have a consonant cluster, the GE or the DGE. Let's take a look at the next one. The next one is the consonant X. However, it's a consonant cluster because it actually makes a sound that sounds like the K and the S are together, like X, X. Here are some examples for you. Accept, explain, excited, expect, Texas, excellent, exercise, expert, expedition. And finally, let's take a look at the consonant cluster KW, which makes a sound of qu, which is a Q and a U put together. Here are the example words: quick, question, equal, queen, quart, liquid, quilt, aquarium, inquire, and frequent. I know they may be a little tricky, but I know that you guys will get the hang of it. Thanks for watching.